In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily trade stocks, crypto, or whatever other assets you want to trade on the platform eToro. If you want to create an account on eToro, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link. You will get to exactly this page right here. You can start right away. You just have to click right here on Join eToro. And then all you have to do is just enter a username, email, or just use Facebook or Google sign up. And then you will already have an account. You will go through the easy, quickly process of verifying your account, and then you're ready to go. The link right to this sign up page right here is down in the description. One specifically if you are from the United States and one if you are from any other country. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. And of course, first I want to show you how you can deposit any money, and you simply have to go down here on the left bottom, click on this button, deposit funds. You'll get to this page right here where first you can choose the currencies, or euro, United States dollar, the British pound, Australian dollar, whichever one you would like. For example, let's go for United States dollar. Then you can choose between these different methods. For example, a regular bank transfer. If you choose that and you click on continue, you'll get right to this page right here where you will get all the information that you need for the bank transfer, as you can see right here. Of course, you have to include this number right here in your reference code. You can see the recipient name, you can see the account number, everything you need for the bank transfer. The other options are, of course, simply your credit card or debit card. You can just enter your card details and make a deposit that way, which is also instantly. And of course, you can also use, which is really useful, PayPal. If you click on here, you simply have to enter your email address and then click on continue, and then you will be redirected to the PayPal page. Similar is if you have, if you buy something, and then you can see the amount, just confirm it, and then you will have the money here as well directly. All right, so once you have made any purchase, you can always check the number right here. It should be here under cash available. And once you have the money here, you know it has already arrived. All right, so once you've made your deposit and you can see the money right here, we can now make our first trade. And to do that, we simply go here on the left side to discover, and there we get an overview of all the different assets that we can invest in on here, such as stocks, crypto, indices, commodities, currencies, and ETFs. So you can, of course, enter trades for any of these currencies that you want, or any of these assets. In this case, you can, of course, always search up here. I want to show you for one that's where the market is currently open, for example, SAP, which is a German stock. I'm just going to click on it right here, and you can see it right here just for demonstration. You can see some information about it. You can see the price chart right here. And then once you want to invest or open a trade in it, you can simply go here on the right side, click on trade. And now you will have the option between a sell and a buy trade. So a short position profiting from falling prices, or a buy, which is a long position profiting from higher prices. Then you can enter the amount from your own money that you want to invest. In this case, let's go for example, $500. Then you can choose your leverage. If you just use a 1x leverage, you won't have any commission, and you will simply just buy the stocks for that amount. Of course, you can use a 2x leverage or a 5x leverage. Then you will use a CFD, and your profits as well as your losses will be times 2 or times 5, of course. In this case, I'm just going to show you a simple trade with 1x leverage, so no leverage. Then you can add a stop loss and take profit if you want to do so. For example, if you click on right here on amount, you can say, all right, you know what, if the price goes down, I only want to have a maximum of $50 of a loss. It automatically calculates the price right here for you. And it also tells you, okay, that's 9.8% of your position amount right here. Same goes for your take profit. I want to switch it right here to the amount. And let's say, you can of course also type in manually. Let's say if it goes into $200 of profit, then it automatically calculates the price again for you, and that means 40% profit. Then it will automatically close. So you have everything set up: stop loss, your leverage, no leverage at all in this case, and your take profit. Once you're done with all that, simply go down here and click on open trade. Then you will see order is filled, and that's already it. If you now go back here to your portfolio, you will see right here we have this stock. We see how many units we've bought. We can see at what price we have opened the position, how much we have invested, what's our profit and loss, in this case at 8 cents down. Our current value of this position, pretty much all we need to know. If you need more details, you can always click on it. Then you will see again, okay, this is a buy trade. When we opened it, you can see the amount again. You can see your stop loss and take profit where you've set them. And if you click on here, you also see your leverage, and you can of course edit your stop loss and take profit at any time. Simply tweak these numbers to your liking, enter new numbers, click on update. And then as you can see, you will have all of that updated. You can choose at any time if you want to do so. All right. Of course, you can now leave the position open, wait until your stop loss or take profit will be hit, or of course you can also close the position at any time if you want to do so. Take some profits, for example, if you can just go here, click on close. Here you can see again how much have you invested, how many units you've bought, what's your current P&L, and how much it's currently worth. You can also say I only want to close part of the position. You can choose how much dollar amounts or units you want to close. In this case, I just want to close the entire position, so I don't have to put the check mark in here. Just click on close trade. And then as you can see, it will sell everything and then you're out of the position again. And that's pretty much all it is. Don't forget to create an account on eToro by using the link down from the video description to instantly get to the right sign up page. You can enter your details and you're ready to go directly. As always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.